Hey guys, welcome to this channel. So in this channel this channel is mainly about tech, and I'm gonna make several tutorials too on some languages, maybe C++, Java, Python, maybe some tutorials on DS and Algo. See, I'm not fully proficient in those, but still I will try to make tutorials on those. And I can make tutorials on web development too, I guess. But this channel is not mainly about educational stuff. I will cover some other topics too, which I am passionate about, and I can also do vlogging, I guess, if I visit some hackathons, if I participate in some hackathons. Sorry. Yeah. So this is my channel. Do subscribe if you want to if you want to watch this type of, if you like to watch this kind of content. So yeah.